Pakistan is a diverse country with a rich tapestry of cultures, influenced by its history, geography, and the various ethnic and linguistic groups residing within its borders. Here are some of the major cultural groups found in Pakistan. Punjabi culture is one of the most vibrant and colorful cultures in Pakistan, deeply rooted in traditions, folklore, music, dance, cuisine, and festivals. Here are some key aspects of Punjabi culture. Number 1. Hospitality. Punjabis are known for their warm hospitality and generosity. Guests are treated with utmost respect and are often welcomed with open arms, traditional sweets like jalebi and barfi, and a hearty meal. Number 2. Traditional attire. The traditional attire of Punjabis is the shalwar kameez for both men and women. Men often pair it with a turban, pagri, while women adorn themselves with colorful dupattas and jewelry. Number 3. Festivals. Punjabi festivals are celebrated with great zeal and enthusiasm. Baisakhi, celebrated in April, marks the Punjabi New Year and is celebrated with vibrant fairs, music, and dance. Lohri, celebrated in January, is a harvest festival marked by bonfires, singing, and dancing. Number 4. Cuisine. Punjabi cuisine is known for its rich and flavorful dishes. Staple foods include roti, flatbread, naan, and rice, often served with mouth-watering curries like butter chicken, dal makhani, and sarson ka sag with makki di roti, mustard greens with cornbread. Number 5. Art and craft. Punjab boasts a rich tradition of art and craft, including fulkari, intricate embroidery, Punjabi jatti, traditional footwear adorned with embroidery and beads, and Punjabi music instruments like the dole, tabla, and tumbai. Number 6. Language and literature. Punjabi is the most widely spoken language in Punjab. It has a rich oral and literary tradition, with famous poets like Bullek Shah, Waris Shah, and Amrita Pritam contributing significantly to Punjabi literature. Number 7. Religious diversity. Punjab is home to people of various religions, including Sikhism and Islam. The Golden Temple in Amritsar, a sacred Sikh shrine, attracts millions of visitors from around the world. Number 8. Harvest celebrations. Being an agrarian society, Punjabis celebrate the harvest season with gusto. During festivals like Vaisakhi, farmers express gratitude for the bountiful harvest through prayers, rituals, and community feasts. Number 9. Wedding ceremonies. Punjabi weddings are elaborate affairs, often lasting several days and featuring rituals like the roka, engagement, mehendi, henna ceremony, sanjit, musical night, and the Anand Karaj, Sikh wedding ceremony, or the Varmala, Hindu wedding ceremony. Overall, Punjabi culture is characterized by its vibrancy, exuberance, and strong sense of community, making it a significant aspect of Pakistan's cultural identity.